Okay, here we are. It is the next morning. It's 5:43 in the morning, and we are going to resin this. I have Mod Podged down the little bees. If you can see, I put little pearls in the center of the flowers. And the little bees are down. I put the little flowers down at the bottom. So we are going to brush some resin on this. Center. Sorry, it's hard for me to see when I'm looking upside down, but I'm going to stir the resin one more time and then we'll get going. Okay, I've covered the whole thing. Let's try to see if I can pick it up to give you a closer look. Let's try this one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick it up. So I have torched it. I don't know. You guys can see a really good picture of it, but there it is. I'm going to set it aside. I see one little spot. I'm going to set it aside and cover it and let it dry. But there's our little bee painting. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Okay everyone, that finishes up the bee painting. I hope you guys liked it. It was a lot of fun to make. Actually putting the resin on made the colors in the background just, I don't know, it looks so much prettier with the resin. I can't wait until tomorrow when I can show you guys what it looks like, and then I will be actually filming the outside back porch where I'm going to be putting up all of my bee items that I made and make it a cute little backyard for the spring that's about to come up. I'm sorry, it's like 6:10 in the morning. I'm tired. Coffee. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. I've gotten questions on how do I clean up my resin and what I do right away. So I just wanted to show you this so you can see that it is completely clean. These are the two that I used. I pour the A and the B in here, dump it in here, obviously separately, and then that's the one I stir it with, and I have my little stir spoons. What I do is I take just a regular rubbing alcohol and I pour it into a cup. I dump everything in there, I swish it around, I let it soak, I pull it out, I dry everything off, even including my brush. See, it's back to normal again. I just stick it inside the alcohol, swish it around, and then I just take it out and I wipe it on here. If there's too much that gets into the bristles, then I do take it inside and rinse it with water, but as you can see, there is no resin left behind. And then I just throw my brush again. So that's how I clean up. I also use it on the table that I'm working on. I put a little bit of alcohol on my rag and I just rub the table and it gets any resin off, but you have to do it pretty much right after your project or you'll have it where it starts to get hard and it's hard to get off. But of course, underneath that silicone mat, I do use parchment paper to make sure that it does not drip on the table, but accidents happen. And I'm just using a regular lighter as my blowtorch. So that's how I do it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun to make. It's going to look really cute outside. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow when I get the patio all put together. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video.